Hello students, myself Jyoti Kiran, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to explain non-homogeneous system of equations problem on this non-homogeneous system of equations. Let us go for the example 1. Test the following system for consistency and solve if it is consistent. So here non-homogeneous system of linear equations are there. We have to write this system of equation in the augmented form. So this is A colon B, matrix A and matrix B. Then reduce this augmented matrix into the by operating elementary row operations, reduce to echelon form. In the first step R1 to R3, the first element must be unique. Then apply the elementary row operation. R2 dash R3 dash is R3 minus 2 R1. Then we get the equivalence matrices. Again operate R3 dash is 3 R3 minus 7 R2. We get this final matrix. So in this matrix, rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix. 3 is equal to R. Therefore, number of unknowns is 3, the rank is 3, the system is consistent and as a unique solution. So, let us find out the solution for this given system. The equivalent system is, so we have to write the last augmented matrix in the form of a system of equation. In the first row, x minus 2y, z coefficient is 0, which is equal to 1. That will become the equation 1. Second row, x is 0. 3y plus z is equal to 0. This is for second equation. In the third row, minus 1 into z. Z coefficient is there. Minus z is equal to 3. Therefore, we get the value of z is equal to minus 3. Substitute the value of z in equation 2. We get the value of y, that is 1. Again, substitute z and y in 1, 3. In equation 1, we get x is equal to 3. Hence, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, z is equal to minus 3 is the unique solution of the given system of equations. So next for the problem, next example, for what values of mu and eta, the system of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 10, x plus 2y plus mu z is equal to, we can say it is for n or eta. You have a unique solution, then solution 2 no solution, and solution 3 an infinite number of solutions. So first we will solve this problem for unique solution. So write down the given system of non-homogeneous system of linear equation in the augmented matrix. Okay, here we get in the last row we get mu and n. The system of equations have a unique solution if A is a non-singular, that is determinant of A is not equal to 0. So from find out the determinant of A, we get mu is not equal to 3. If mu is not equal to 3 and for any values of n, we have row A is equal to row of augmented matrix, we get 3. So number of unknowns 3 and number of rank of a matrix R is 3. Yes, the system has a unique solution if only mu is not equal to 3. If mu is equal to 3, it will reduce us. Okay. So next in case second, if mu is equal to 3 and n is not equal to 10. If mu is equal to 3, let us check mu value is 3 and n is not equal to 10. Then operate elementary row operation. We get n minus 10. The rank of the matrix A here is 2 and rank of augmented matrix is 3. Then row A is not equal to row of A colon B. The system is inconsistent. Yes, the system has no solution if mu is equal to 3 and n is not equal to 10. In the case 3, if mu is equal to 3 and n is equal to 10, then augmented matrix, rank of augmented matrix and rank of matrix A is reduced to 2 since R is less than n. There are 3 unknowns or the rank is less than number of unknowns. The system is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. In the next example, for what values of mu and n the system of equations have an infinite number of solutions, and hence find the solution set of the system of equations. Here first we write down the augmented matrix. In last row we get the value mu and n. Operate the elementary row operation for this augmented matrix. Then we get, if we take mu is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5, the augmented matrix become rank of a matrix A is 2 and rank of augmented matrix R is 2. And since R is less than n, the rank is 2 but number of unknowns is 3, the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. Then we find out the solution for this system of equations. The equivalent system is, we have to write this matrix in the form of a linear equations. The first row becomes x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4. Second row is y plus z is equal to 1. Third row is 0. Okay. From these two equations, on solving these two equations by taking the arbitrary value z is equal to k, and we get the solution y is equal to 1 minus k and x is equal to 2 minus k. Finally, we have the solution for the given system of equations. Next, we move on to the next example. For what values of lambda, the system of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to lambda, 4x plus y plus 10z is equal to lambda square have a solution. Solve completely in each case. So, first we write down the augmented matrix A colon B, then operate the elementary row operations. We get the augmented matrix. In the augmented matrix, the matrix A, the third row becomes the third row becomes 0. Therefore, rank of a matrix is 2 and rank of a augmented matrix is. So here also, if you take if you take these values, then rank of augmented matrix also 2. Then the given system is consistent for the value lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to 2. When lambda is equal to 1, the equivalent system is, so then call it as equation 1 and 2. So here R is less than n, rank is 2, number of unknowns is 3, then we have infinite number of solutions. Therefore, choose n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2. It is 1 is the arbitrary value. For arbitrary value, choose z is equal to k1 and solve the above system of equation. We get the value of y and x. Finally, we get the value of x, y, z is the solution set for the given system of equations for the value lambda is equal to 1. So, one more value is there. When lambda is equal to 2, the equivalent system is, substitute lambda is equal to 2 in the above equations and choose one arbitrary value z is equal to k2 and substitute here equation 1 and 2, we get the value of x and y. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 3k2, y is equal to 2k2, z is equal to k2 is the solution set for the given system of equation when lambda is equal to 2. Thank you.